Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a Peruvian escabeche. All ingredients below in my info box. You will need the fish fillets, purple onion, garlic, vinegar, Peruvian yellow chili, Peruvian panca chili, eggs, lettuce, sweet potato, corn starch and flour, salt, black pepper, cumin, and vegetable oil. Here in my saucepan, I will heat vegetable oil, and I'm going to season the fish fillets with salt, black pepper, and a little bit of cumin. Now I'm going to mix the flour with the cornstarch, and I'm going to smear the fish fillets on both sides. And we are going to take them to fry over medium heat on both sides until they are golden brown and cooked. While the fish is frying, let's cut the onion. I already have my fish fillets cooked separately, and in a pan with oil, we're gonna add the garlic, both Peruvian chili, onion, and few pieces of Peruvian chili. A little bit of salt, black pepper, and vinegar. Cover and let it cook until the onion is pre-cooked. And right here I have my juicy onion. If you see, the onion is a little bit crunchy but cooked at the same time. And now we are going to add the juicy onion on the fish fillets. You should let cook to decorate and eat. Guys, in my country, Peru, we have some dishes that are eaten cold and are very, very tasty. And finally, our Peruvian escabeche is cold, and I have decorated with lettuce, eggs, olives, and she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. Please stay tuned because she has her own videos every Saturday, and I have new recipes every Wednesdays. Please subscribe and thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.